Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make TikTok sound your ringtone on Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To set a TikTok sound as your ringtone on Android, follow these simple steps. Firstly, open a TikTok app on your device. Choose your desired ringtone from TikTok. Once chosen, tap on the share button. Tap the download to save the ringtone to your device. Now, go to Google Play Store, search for Video Converter, and install Video Converter Black by Technoza. Once installed, tap on Open the app, tap Start, and choose your language. Confirm your selection by tapping the check icon, then proceed by tapping the arrow. Dismiss any prompts by tapping the X button. Go for the Convert Video to MP3 option, grant necessary permissions, and choose the TikTok video you downloaded earlier. Tap Convert. You can also rename your ringtone at this stage. Finally, tap Start to begin the conversion process. By following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok sound your ringtone on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.